Development Bank is an essential institution in the banking industry because it is one of the important instruments of government to promote economic growth and really help every individual, especially who wants to build a business. This video will going to discuss the definition of Development Bank, and also you will be able to learn about Northpoint Development Bank, its corporate profile or background history, the board of directors, the shareholders and the percentage of their shareholdings, the company's offered products and services, and in this video you will be able to find out its significance and role in the Philippine financial system. Northpoint Development Bank gives the highest value to its customers, being the lifeblood of the company, making sure that all customers are given in a great experience or a good service the least. Background history.
Hey everyone, I'm Arjun Ferrer. For today, let us know what is Northpoint Development Bank all about. Northpoint Development Bank was originally founded as a rural bank in May 22, 1956. It used to be known as Urdaneta Rural Bank and was later called the New Urdaneta Rural Bank in 1983. The bank considered the town of Urdaneta. Through BSP and SEC approvals in 1998, the bank upgraded its classification from a rural bank to a thrift bank and changed its name to what we know these days, the Northpoint Development Bank Incorporated. In June 2012, Northpoint Development Bank Incorporated was acquired by the Ongtenko family. Northpoint Development Bank is currently operating with a branch in Urdaneta City, Pangasinan. 28 branch-like units. When we say branch-like units, it's just like a small branch which accept the basic bank transaction such as deposit, withdrawal, and loan. So meaning to say, branch-like unit is just like a small bank branch. And the head office of the Northpoint Development Bank was located in San Pedro, Laguna. The main areas of operation are in NCR, Central Luzon, and Region 5, as well as the Vegan in Ilocos Sur and Ligaw in Albay as the Pardiet.
Mission, vision, and core values.
Northpoint Development Bank as a core vision. Vision as a company, vision for their clients, vision for the employee, and vision for the world. All of the said vision is focusing on one thing. They want to change the society as a bank. As a bank, they pass their vision on their employee, and employee pass their vision to their clients, and clients apply those vision on their life. That's the thing that they want to do to change the world. The first step is start with them. As for their mission, the bank itself serves as an instrument to find the poverty all over the world. Northpoint Development Bank have the 5 core values, which is altruism, nationalism, humility, excellence, and integrity. Those 5 core values, it serves to help the company to create a purpose, improve team cohesion, and create a sense of commitment in the workplace.
Organizational structure, stockholders, and board of directors.
Good day everyone, my name is Karen Kilakilang, BS Accountancy, and I will be talking about Northpoint Development Bank ownership structure. What comes in your mind when we say ownership structure? Or what is ownership structure? Ownership structure concerns the internal organization of a business entity and the right and duties of the individual holding a legal or equitable interest in that business. As owner of the business entity, it is important to understand how the ownership structure of a particular business entity is organized and what that means for the owner right. Example, a shareholder as a owner of a corporation has certain rights. These rights are distinct from those members of a limited liability company. Further, within the corporation, A holder of preferred stock may have different rights than a holder of common stock. Let's move forward for the Northpoint Development Bank. As you can see, Development Bank is a collaboration by stockholders. There are 5 savings stockholders, and 5 of them have 20% of stockholders percentage. Now, let's discuss the Northpoint Development Bank Board Directors. Ramon B. Manzana, Chairman of the Board. He is Northpoint Development Chairman of the Board since 2012, and assuming humble man who has interest in the motorcycle and banking industry. A former president of the Federation of Metro Manila Rural Bank Incorporation, and a former director of the Rural Bank Association of the Philippines. Catalino T. Solidum, a 3 years president and CEO of the Northpoint Development Bank. He moreover held different administration positions and department keeping money and loaning operation at Bank of Makati, a research fund bank and security bank. He may be a certified open book keeper. Now, we come up the other board of directors of Northpoint Development Bank. Victor Angtinco, Director. Paulino C. Angtinco, Director. Catalina T. Calderon, Director. Robert G. Tan, Independent Director. And Attorney Edwardson L. O., Independent Director.
Products and services.
My name is Etelay. BSc. I will discuss the information about Northpoint Development Bank, the product and services.
Savings. Business loan, a fully secured term loan for eligible enterprise establishments. Minimum availment, more than 500,000 pesos. Maximum availment, 15 million pesos. Prime up to 60% of appraisal value. Hold out agreement up to 90% of deposit. Terms, maximum of 5 years. Small business loan, a short-term loan granted to small companies entirely or partially secured. Minimum availment, more than 150,000 pesos. Terms, 6, 12, 18 to 24 months. Multi-purpose loan, an unsecured term loan issued by the affiliated or accredited organization to eligible regular workers, where repayment is by wage deduction. Amount, minimum 1 month gross salary, maximum 3 months gross but not exceeding 300,000 pesos. Terms, 6, 12, 18, 24 to 36 months. Microfinance loan, a small loan granted to core sectors on the basis of the cash flow of the borrower and loans granted to poor and low-income households. Home availment, 5,000 pesos. Maximum availment, 300,000 pesos. Terms, subject to borrower's chosen microfinance product. Savings, regular savings, an interest-bearing account for individuals and corporations that can be with the accompanying passbook. Special savings, an interest-bearing account that is time-bound and for a specified duration is locked in. Depending on the deposit amount, the interest rate is higher. Micro savings, an interest-bearing account for low-risk customers. KD savings, an interest-bearing account with an initial deposit of 100 for children aged 7 to 19 years and no minimum balance limit.
Good day everyone, I am Luis Nicole Fabian, studying in Manila Business College, first year, taking Bachelor of Science in Accountancy. I will be the one who will discuss the role and significance of development bank and Philippine financial system. A development bank is a specialized financial institution. It is essentially a bank oriented towards growth. Its key purpose is to foster economic growth through the promotion of investment and entrepreneurship in a developing economy. This supports a new and small businesses and strive for balanced regional development. In recent years, the country Philippines has been recognized as one of the most flourishing or ever-increasing economies among the countries inside the Southeast Asia, having a 6.3% average annual gross domestic product starting 2010 is an edge. Existing Development Bank has become one of the strongest partners the country has, as the primary role of Northpoint Development Bank and any other development bank is to promote economic growth. The economy will surely shrink if this type of financial institution will not exist to perform expansion, as there will be no investment to entrepreneurial activity, no encouragement for those aspiring entrepreneurs in backward areas, and even a balanced growth in every region. Truth be told that this type of bank provides financial assistance to anyone including the public sectors. In comparison to other banks, development banks did not even go along the competition as they are the ones who are filling the gap for such deficiencies in the Philippine financial system or PFS. Industrialization is their number one rationale that helps to improve the technology and modernization of the agricultural sectors and rural areas in the whole country. Northpoint Development Bank actively supports the microfinance market while remaining financially viable through its product and service chain. This momentum is what distinguishes Northpoint Development Bank from the rest. To continue to flourish over the next decade and beyond, as a company aimed at uplifting Philippine lives, Northpoint Development Bank moved quickly to the direction of its clients. Anchored on the trust of Northpoint Development Bank, the primary objective of the bank's loan product suite is to appeal to and meet consumer needs. The bank seeks to help stabilize its clients' financial well-being, ensuring that their business and financial needs are met through the Northpoint Development Bank's suite of loan and deposit items. The Development Bank also offers loans that can help individuals to elevate their way of living, providing assistance to create small businesses. Every business, whether it is big or small, contributes to local economies by bringing growth and innovation to the community in which the business is established. Small businesses also help stimulate economic growth by providing employment opportunities to people who may not be employable by larger corporations. Small businesses tend to attract talents who invent new products or implement new solutions for existing ideas. A healthy economy requires growth and sustainability of small businesses. When small businesses are healthy and prosperous, the community also benefit and prosper, and this is one of the aim of the Development Bank for the economy.